Hi everyone, we're going to kind of walk you through how to get to the Fountas and Pinnell database and how to get your student information in there today. So you'll log into the portal and you're going to go to Text Center and you're going to go to Online Subscriptions, and the link to get to the database is right at the bottom, the Fountas and Pinnell Benchmark Data Management System. And it will take you to this site. Your email is your school email. Your password is Hillbrook, all lowercase. Today we're going to be using Kate Hammond's email and password and class information. So there's three main components to this. Up here you can see as it's loading, there's classes and assessments and reports. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about classes and a little bit about assessments. So let's start with classes. You're going to go and choose your class. It should be the only one listed, and it will populate with all these columns with the exception of these three, which we're going to talk about in a little bit. If you notice anybody is missing, let me know. You don't have to check here. You'll notice that also in the next step. So you're going to go to Assessments to start entering your students' data. You'll just start with the first student. In my case, I'm going to choose a different student because that will be my example. It doesn't happen to be the first student. And so I've got my student selected. Now I'm ready to add a text reading. Okay, so I use the Fountas and Pinnell benchmark. I did this assessment, let's say on the 6th. It was the nonfiction selection, and it was the level N, and it was dogs at work. Next, read it, let's say, with a 98% accuracy, and these are the things that I came up with, and I'm going to hit next. So basically, I'm just going to fill in this data based on what my records say. If you don't have the information, leave it blank, unless it has a red asterisk. Then you hit save, and there's my information right here. If I decide that, no, that's not the one, that I made a mistake, I can hit edit and either edit it from here or delete the whole thing, delete the whole text reading. And that's what I'm going to do because I don't want that in there. That was just an example. So once I have that kiddo in, I can go back up here and do another student. After I've done all my kids, I can go back and take a look at all of them together in classes. And let's say I just wanted a quick sort. I can sort by my class by, let's say, the independent reading level. I'm curious what sorted looks like. So you press OK, and it sorts, lowest to highest, independent reading level there. There are lots of reports, and at a different time I can show you how to do that, but that's kind of a quick look. Okay, that's all we're going to do today. If you have any questions or just want to kind of play around in here, that would be great. Or if you want to text me if you have a problem, you can text me at 408-656-0620, and I can swing by your classroom this morning and help you out. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck. Make sure you log out after you're done. And that's all.